Golden Sunrise friends, this is Rakhi from Team VK, and in this video today we will see how you can energize your water daily. Now how will you do that? For this you need a VK. This is VK. It is a steel bangle which is attuned with cosmic energies by Sharad sir. And this VK is capable of charging anything or water with any positive energy or any positive words. You can charge your water for your health, for wealth, for relationships, or for your spirituality also. Now today we will see in this part how you can charge this water in this bottle for some prosperity healing. Now what I do, I just hold VK and I request each energy name 3 times. Now suppose I want to charge this water with Golden Sunrise. Golden Sunrise is a master switch word and mantra by Sharad sir which turns all negativity into positivity. So what I do, I just take VK and I just say Golden Sunrise, Golden Sunrise, Golden Sunrise 3 times. And then I start rotating VK over this water. So I am rotating VK over this water for around 15 to 20 times. Now while this VK is rotating, the water is getting charged with Golden Sunrise. You are not supposed to count, but just with your judgment you can rotate for 15 to 20 times. Now suppose I have finished rotating for 15 to 20 times. Then this VK becomes free. You can charge the water with any additional energy, or you can place a direct request, or you can just wear it back. Now I want to charge this water with another energy which is Total Wealth Serum. Total Wealth Serum is a cosmic serum which is a combination of energies designed by Sharad sir, and it is released in the universe. You can call upon this energy only with use of VK. So now what I do, I just say VK, Total Wealth Serum, Total Wealth Serum, Total Wealth Serum, and then I start rotating VK over the same water. Say around 15 to 20 times. Now this water is getting charged with Total Wealth Serum while I am rotating. Now say after 15 to 20 rotations, this water is charged with Golden Sunrise which you did before and Total Wealth Serum. Now suppose I want to add a mantra energy which is a prosperity mantra, famous one. It's Shreem Brizi. It is a Lakshmi mantra for prosperity. So I want to charge this water with Shreem Brizi. I just say 3 times VK Shreem Brizi, Shreem Brizi, Shreem Brizi. And then again I start rotating VK over this water slowly. So you must have seen I have not kept any gap. I am just doing this energy charging back to back. So while rotating, VK is charging this water with Shreem Brizi. So now suppose 15 to 20 rotations are over. So now this water is charged with Golden Sunrise, Total Wealth Serum and Shreem Brizi. Now suppose you want to use some LOA concept, like I personally like the switch word wow. It is a positive exclamatory word which raises my frequency. So what more can you ask that VK can even charge any LOA energy? So how do I charge this water with the expression wow? I just say VK, wow, wow, wow. You must have observed just by saying 3 times, I got a smile. So wow is my personal switch word. And here I am charging my water with the energy of wow, just by saying 3 times. So now VK is charging this water with the energy of wow. So like this you rotate for 15 to 20 times with this water. Now suppose say 15 to 20 times rotation is over. So now this energy is charged with, this water is charged with Golden Sunrise, Total Well Serum, Stream Breezy, and Wow. Now I'm going to add one more energy, which is Balance Serum. Balance Serum is again a cosmic serum, and it is designed by Sharad sir and released in the universe. It can be accessed only with VK. Balance Serum helps to balance your mind, body and soul. It acts on your aura, it acts on your energy system like chakras. So what a great energy to charge with. So how do I charge? Just say VK, Balance Serum, Balance Serum, Balance Serum, and I start rotating VK over this water for 15 to 20 rotations. Now 15 to 20 rotations is for up to 2 liters of water. So whether you have a glass of water 100 ml or whether you have a 2 liter water, you have to rotate for 15 to 20 times per energy. Slowly. Now while I am rotating, the water is getting charged with Balance Serum. Now suppose 15 to 20 rotations are over. My VK is free. I can place any direct request and keep it aside, or I can just wear it back. Now this water is charged with Golden Sunrise, Stream Breezy, Total Well Serum, Wow, and Balance Serum. You can do it in any order. I just randomly followed one order. So this becomes my water for healing prosperity. So simple to use VK, like within 2 minutes you can charge, you can fill the water bottle and charge it with positive energies, and you can keep drinking this water throughout the day. So this is one method. While you rotate VK with each energy, you charge the water with that positive energy. In this part of the video, we will see how we can use VK to charge water without rotations. On another day, I was seeing like which is the most searched item on Google, and I found that people are looking for solutions for weight reduction. So this part of the video, we will learn one of the ways how you can do some weight correction. Okay, now in this you can use a combination of energies. Now if I choose to take Flapdown Serum, Flapdown Serum is a cosmic serum by Sharad sir. It can be accessed only with VK. It is a combination of energies which work on thyroid and on metabolism of the body and many other ways too. It works on your body and mind and motivates you for a perfect weight. Second is the energy of Gym Serum. Gym Serum is an energy which, even if you're not doing exercises, it will give you energy of exercises. Again, it can be accessed only with VK. Third, maybe you can use Beauty Serum, which beautifies your overall body. This is also another energy, cosmic serum by Sharad sir, and it can be used only with VK. Now I'm going to tell you one more energy, which is bariatric liposuction surgery. It is a surgical process of removing excess lipids or fats from body. You'll be surprised, one of the VK users have actually used this energy for weight correction of a person and got success. So this you can do it with VK. I used to go to the gym, and my gym instructor used to say that you will lose weight only if you use whey protein, and he told me a brand, Isopure Whey Protein. So when I searched on Amazon, I saw that a jar of Isopure Whey Protein was only 5,000 rupees. So I thought, why do I spend that? Instead, I will use VK to mimic that energy, and it actually worked for me. So now we are going to see how we will charge a bottle of water with these energies. So we are going to charge water with Flapdown Serum, Beauty Serum, Gym Serum, bariatric liposurgery, and energy of Isopure Whey Protein. Now how to do this? Just take your VK and say each energy name 3 times. Okay, and just before saying the last energy, you can use the take the names of energy names in any sequence, but just before the last energy system you use the word and. so that VK knows that it has to charge with all the 5 energies. So how do you do this? So I say VK, flap down serum, flap down serum, flap down serum, gym serum, gym serum, gym serum, beauty serum, beauty serum, beauty serum, bariatric liposuction surgery, bariatric liposuction surgery, bariatric liposuction surgery with safety and security, and isopure whey protein, isopure whey protein, isopure whey protein with safety and security. And then I place VK over this bottle. Now while I place VK over this bottle, VK has started energizing this water with these 5 energies. Now you must have noticed that I used the words with safety and security. So because it's a surgical process, when you use the intention safety and security with VK, it will give you only positive effects and undesired effects will not be given. This is specially for mimicking. Then I used again for isopure whey protein. Though I know it is very useful for me, I didn't know how my body would react to such protein. So I use the word safety and security even for isopure whey protein. You can simply say whey protein, or if you know the brand name, you can, for that particular brand energy, you can use isopure whey protein. So I took 4 energy names and then I said yeah and then I took the 5th name. Now how much time do you keep VK? So approximately if you have 100 ml water or 500 ml water or up to 2 liter water, for each energy name just approximately keep VK for 2 minutes. So you don't have to pick up the VK. Just if I calculate for 5 energies, 2 into 5, 10 minutes. So approximately 10 minutes I'll place VK over this water. Now during this 10 minutes or even before, VK will finish charging this bottle with all the 5 energies. It will charge the water inside this bottle. So now suppose 8 to 10 minutes are over. So this water is charged with flap down serum, beauty serum, gym serum, bariatric liposuction surgery and isopure whey protein. After 10 minutes you can remove VK and wear it back or charge some other water with some other healing energy or place a direct request. VK is free for any other activity, and this water you can start drinking. It has the energies of all 5 healing which we said. So simple, you don't have to rotate. While you keep the VK on this, you can go around and do your work. While you're working on your office desk, you can just keep the bottle, put VK with the requested energies and your water bottle will be charged. I hope you like this method. Do share your experiences with us on Lightarian forum, and you can also try bariatric liposuction surgery and isopure whey protein. I personally got the effect with isopure whey protein, and my gym instructor was really surprised that I didn't take isopure whey protein and I still got weight reduction and muscular strength. In this part of the video, we will see how to charge home drinking water tank. Now in Indian families, we generally have the drinking water container, which is an earthen pot, the matka, or you may have a steel or copper drinking water tank or a water filter where you have stored water, still water in the tank. Now this method can be used to charge that stored water. It should not be flowing water, it should be stored in a container. Now how do you do this? Now here, as a representative, I have taken this glass bottle. Okay, now imagine this water is around 2 to 10 liters, your big water container in your kitchen at your home. In the earlier part of the video, we saw that we have to keep VK over the water bottle up to 2 liters of water for 2 minutes per energy. Now if the water is around 2 to 10 liters, you can keep VK on the water container for 5 minutes per energy. Now generally in a home, if you want to charge water, maybe you will consider some health serums for daily use. You can keep on changing the energy combinations every day. Each family member can receive these general energies. Now suppose I am showing you a demo how you can charge with these energies. Maybe you can charge with Perfect Health Serum. It is a cosmic serum for overall health of a person. Then you can charge it with Heart Serum, that is for a healthy heart. Again, these two are cosmic serums which can be accessed only with VK. Then you can charge this water with some calcium energy. Calcium is required for our bones, teeth, and overall movement of the muscles and bones. If there is a possibility of deficiencies in children or elder members of the family, so what you can do, you can even charge this with any nutritional supplements. You can charge it with any vitamins. Maybe calcium and vitamin, they together give good absorption and good nutritional value, so you can charge with vitamin D. And then you can charge the water with Shield of 7 Rays, which is a protective energy, and it can be charged with any other water. So how do we do this? Just hold VK and say all the energy names 3 times. Just before the last energy, you can use the word "and", so that VK knows that it has to charge the water with all the 5 energies. So how do I do this? Just see. VK, Perfect Health Serum, Perfect Health Serum, Perfect Health Serum, calcium, calcium, calcium as per the need of the body, vitamin D3, vitamin D3, vitamin D3 as per need of the body, balance serum, balance serum, balance serum, and Shield of 7 Rays, Shield of 7 Rays, Shield of 7 Rays. And then I place VK over the lid of the container. The lid may be flat or it may be tapered. You can just keep it on the container. Now, since I have set 5 energies, we'll keep VK for 5 into 5, that is for 25 minutes. So approximately you have to leave VK on this container for 25 minutes. You can move around and do your personal work. In that time, VK is charging this water with all the 5 energies which you requested. And after 25 minutes, your VK is free. So in this way, daily you can charge your home drinking water with energies with a simple request. Now after 25 minutes, this water is charged with all the requested energies, and you can use VK for any other direct request, or charging for some other water, or charging something, or just wear it back. Now suppose you have a bigger container, it's a big family, or you have a bigger container and the water is about 10 liters, say maybe 15 liters, 20 liters, 50 liters, whatever. So again, we use the same bottle as our representative tank. Now what else can you charge? You can charge for harmony at home, peace at home, for good relationship. So here we can charge water with One Soul Serum. This is a cosmic serum specially for use with VK. It connects different members who are drinking this water at soul level, at mind level, and gives a deep connection if taken regularly. Another energy I can think of is Gayatri Mantra. Gayatri Mantra is our ancient mantra and it is known globally. Many schools around the globe are practicing this. It raises our inner consciousness, it brings positivity, it raises our vibration. Maybe third you can use is Shield of 7 Rays, again a very protective energy. It forms 7 layers of protection. It is a special energy which can be accessed only with VK. Now if the water is about 10 liters, VK will require around 10 minutes to charge this whole water with one energy. And with VK, you know, it works on a single request for 30 minutes. So what you have to do, just say the energy names 3 times. Before the last energy, use the word "and". Now this is the way I'll use it. VK, One Soul Serum, One Soul Serum, One Soul Serum, Gayatri Mantra, Gayatri Mantra, Gayatri Mantra, and Shield of 7 Rays, Shield of 7 Rays, Shield of 7 Rays. I place VK over the lid. Now VK will start charging with these 3 energies during a period of 10 into 3, 30 minutes. Okay, so after 30 minutes, you can remove VK from the container and you can wear it back. VK is free, or you can charge something else, or you can do any other healing with VK. Now suppose you want to charge the water, instead of 3 you want to charge it with 5 energies. So now 3 energies we have already charged. Imagine that it was kept for 30 minutes. Now for additional energies, again you have to request VK. Now suppose I want to charge this water with Golden Sunrise, which is a master switch word and mantra, and it enhances even VK healings. Then second, maybe you can use Balance Serum. Balance Serum is a cosmic serum which acts on different energy system, hormonal system, body organs, body, mind and soul, and it works in 23 different ways. So how do you charge this water again, or you can know how to charge with 2 energies. So just say VK, Golden Sunrise, Golden Sunrise, Golden Sunrise, and Balance Serum, Balance Serum, Balance Serum, and place VK over this container. So again 2 energies, so approximately 10 into 2, 20 minutes you will leave VK over this container, and during this 20 minutes VK is going to charge this bottle with Golden Sunrise and Balance Serum. So already you charge the bottle with 3 energies, then you added 2 energies. You can add more energies if you wish, but generally it is 5 energies per healing. So what I did, because it was a container beyond 10 liters and it took 10 minutes for 1 energy, I used VK first with 3 energies and then I added 2 energies. So after 20 minutes, the VK has already charged this water with additional 2 energies. After 20 minutes, I just remove VK, wear it back, or use for some other healing. And this container, whoever drinks water at home, they will feel connected, they will feel positive, they will feel protected. So daily you can charge water like this of your home container. You can even vary. One day you can give some heart energy like heart serum, sometimes for eyes, because all of us are reading or we are into some work, and it is good for people who are even aging and may have some vision problems. So like this you can choose your energies from the list of cosmic serum on Lightarian website and charge your home drinking water. Do share your experiences on VK Lightarian forum, and if you have more questions you can refer to post number 24 on Lightarian forum in Basics of VK. In all the other parts of the video you have seen how you can charge water when you have access to that water, your drinking water bottle or water tank, whatever is available to you. Now if you want to help someone who is at a distant place, like a different country, different city, or a different place, VK can even send energy through distant places. Now how you can help that person? One way is you can ask for image of a water bottle of your friend or relative. Now this is image of a water bottle of my friend in US and I am at Mumbai, India. So what I do, I can call her and ask her to send me a picture image of her water bottle, either through WhatsApp, FB Messenger, or through any email or online system. Now suppose I want to charge this water bottle with 3 energies: Keep-in Serum, Fem Serum and Beauty Serum. And this water bottle is less than 2 liters. So I just hold VK and say, VK, Keep-in Serum, Keep-in Serum, Keep-in Serum, Fem Serum, Fem Serum, Fem Serum, and Balance Serum, Balance Serum, Balance Serum. After this, I just place VK over this image. Okay, now VK is charging this water bottle, the water in this bottle. Now we will wait for 6 minutes because 3 energies, 2 minutes per energy. Okay, so you can do any other work, you can go around. Even if the image goes out of display, VK is still charging the water because it follows your intention, and in your intention or in your mind you had the feeling that you will be charging this water for your friend. So after 6 minutes you can remove the VK from the phone. You can keep your phone aside or use it, and VK is free for next request. Now you must have noticed I have used a small VK. This we call it lovingly Chotu VK. It is the smallest size VK, around 3 centimeters. Any size VK works equally. So okay, you can use VK and only you have to know that the water is filled in the bottle. So if every morning you decide to charge her water at 9 o'clock, you can tell her to fill the water maybe around 1 hour or little more, to keep a good gap between her filling the bottle. And maybe she can fill at 8:30 Indian time morning, and then 9 onwards anytime you can charge water for her, and she can start drinking maybe at around 10 o'clock Indian time. So this gap of 8 to 10 is just for convenience, or to know that she has filled the water bottle and you have charged the bottle. Hope you can try for many people and help them with energies, and you can share your experiences with us. In this part of the video, you will be surprised how you can charge water distantly to anybody's home, which is maybe at a different city, at a different country, or even you don't know what is the exact address of that place. So VK is such a cosmic tool that it can send energies to any distance. Now suppose I have a friend whose name is Priya Gupta. She is having some wealth issues, so I can charge her home drinking water with some energies. How? Just see. I have written on this book, it is a ruled page. I have used a black color pen. You can use any color if you wish. It's written drinking water tank at Priya Gupta's home. Okay. So now this page becomes drinking water tank at Priya's home. What I do, I just hold VK simply. This is my Chotu VK, small VK. VK of any size works equally. Now I want to charge this water with maybe 3 energies. That is Total Wealth Serum, Shreem Riddhi and Balance Serum. So now I hold VK in my hand. Just say 3 times each energy name like this. VK, Total Wealth Serum, Total Wealth Serum, Total Wealth Serum, Balance Serum, Balance Serum, Balance Serum, and Shreem Riddhi, Shreem Riddhi, Shreem Riddhi. I place VK over this page. Okay. Now you must have seen that VK is not covering the entire writing, but a small part. So you can place it anywhere on the writing, and since it is 3 energies, you don't know the size of the tank. So considering that maybe it is more than 10 liters, you can keep VK for each energy for 10 minutes. So you can either keep the book open or you can just close it. VK knows your intention, it will start charging. So you keep this VK for 10 into 3, that is 30 minutes. During this 30 minutes, what will VK do? It will start charging Priya Gupta's drinking water tank. And after 30 minutes, you can remove VK, make another request, or charge anybody else's water tank. Whatever is your wish, you can do that. Okay. You can even keep VK like this in the book and place this book inside a drawer or aside. If you don't want anybody else what you want to do, you can just keep it aside. Now another way is, like you must have seen this diary had ruled pages. You can also take a plain paper. See, here I have written drinking water tank at John DeCosta's home in London. You can just keep this page, hold your VK. Now suppose I want to charge this water with some health energies, say heart serum, balance serum and immune serum. So what I do, I just say VK, balance serum, balance serum, balance serum, heart serum, heart serum, heart serum, and immune serum, immune serum, immune serum. You can keep VK at any part of the paper, not necessary that you have to keep it in the center. Now VK knows your intention, so VK will start charging this water with this 3 energies. So simple, and you cannot imagine that what effects you will get if you do this daily for your near ones. Okay, now I have kept VK for 30 minutes, 10 minutes per energy. After 30 minutes, I can remove VK, use it in any other way, any other healing. You can keep this paper handy. Now suppose you don't have a paper, what do? You don't have a book. What can you do? You can just simply hold VK and say, you know in your intention, or you can say it loudly: VK, please charge home drinking water tank at John DeCosta's residence in London with golden sunrise, golden sunrise, golden sunrise, balance serum, balance serum, balance serum, and heart serum, heart serum, heart serum. Keep VK aside. Now in this way, VK will start charging water tank of John DeCosta at London. So simple to use. And after 30 minutes, like 10 into 3, after 30 minutes, VK is free and you can use it for any other water charging or any other healing. Now whoever drinks water at John DeCosta's place, even relatives or friends who are visiting, if they are drinking from this charged tank, they will all get equal energies. So in simple way, you can help your relatives or friends at any distance. Now another way is like you don't have paper or you still want to do it on a writing. So what you can do with your fingers, you can just write on the table, or if you're traveling, you can write on your adjoining car seat or vehicle seat. Just write, I'm writing drinking water tank at John DeCosta's home at London. Now you have written this, look at that writing part and hold VK and say, VK, golden sunrise, golden sunrise, golden sunrise, heart serum, heart serum, heart serum, and immune serum, immune serum, immune serum. Place VK over this. Now in your intention, you know that you want to charge John DeCosta's drinking water tank. VK also knows through your intention because it's an intentional tool. Now you had nothing with you and you can still do charging of water. After 30 minutes, assuming that you just don't know what is the capacity, but even if it is 100-liter water tank or a 50-liter water tank, you can just place VK 10 minutes per energy, and after 30 minutes you remove VK and use it the way you want. You can wear it back, place any other request, charge this tank with additional energies if you wish. So it's very simple. VK is an intentional tool. It follows your intention. You don't have to take tension like I don't know where he stays. You know the person. Now you take the name of the person. You know two people with the same name. So what do you do that? In your intention, you know which one you want to help. Okay. In this way, through the day, you can help many people. You can just approximately, if you know that every day morning people will be filling their water bottles or water tanks, so you can charge during the later part of the day, or you can charge at 11 o'clock, whatever time is suitable to you approximately, or you can even charge twice a day if you feel that they would be filling water again in the evening. So very simple ways of VK healing, and you can help many people. Every day if they drink this charged water, they will notice a big change in their life. Either you can tell them or you cannot tell them, that is your choice. If you share with them, they would also know the importance of energies and VK, and even they would spread this happiness. So people do explore these ways of using VK for charging water for your near ones at distance in easy ways, and do share your experiences on Lightarian forum. Friends, now I'm going to tell you some simple points which you can consider while you're doing water healing with VK. Now you can charge your water, drinking water or any other water in any container, or it can be metal, it can be plastic, it can be silver, it can be steel, it can be earthen, clay, it can be transparent, it can be of any color, it can be of any shape. The container can be opaque or it can be transparent or semi-transparent. The shape, the color, the material of construction of the vessel does not matter. Okay, now suppose you have charged this water with Total Well serum. Now in one water you can use 4 to 5 different energies which relate to the same healing aspect. Like if you're charging water for prosperity and wealth, use all the energies which are considered for prosperity healing. Like don't charge any health serum with wealth serum because the energies will get divided. Now suppose you have charged it with Total Wealth Serum, Alpha Woman Serum, Shreem Brizi and Balance Serum in this bottle. Okay, now another bottle, you're handling a lot of data. Okay, so you need to memorize many things. So here, if I have charged this water with Brain Serum, Study Serum, Shield of 7 Rays and Golden Sunrise. So these are two different healings. Now one sip, what is the dose in water healing through VK? You can drink either one sip of this water, or you can drink a glass of this water, or you can drink whole bottle at the same time. It will be considered as one dose. Any number of people can drink water through these bottles. They will all get 100% energy. This is the speciality of VK charge water. Okay, now if you drink one sip at a time, and then again you drink one sip after say 10 to 15 minutes, that will be a second dose. Now in general normal day healings, what you can do is you can keep a gap of some hours, or you can spread the dose during the day, like you have it in morning, then afternoon, or mid-afternoon, evening, night, and before sleeping. So in this way you can have at least 6 to 7 doses of this wealth water. Okay, now if you want to drink this water also, okay, so what you can do is you can drink same this water as a sip or more, depending upon how much you can drink at a time. Just remember, between two different waters you need to keep a gap of 10 to 15 minutes. So suppose approximately at 10:15 am you had this prosperity water, so maybe at 10:25, 10:30, 10:40, whatever, you can have this water. So you keep a minimum gap of 10 minutes. You don't have to see the watch, just by your judgment. Okay, this also you can spread it through the day. So you can do drink even more types of water, like you can have another bottle which is say health serum. Okay, now if this bottle has Fem Serum, Keep Serum, Perfect Health Serum, this is a health serum. So again, now what you have to do, you have to keep a gap between these three waters, 10 minutes. Okay, you can spread your water drinking throughout the day. So friends, now you know that you have to keep a gap between different healing waters, 10-15 minutes gap. So when you drink this water at 10:15 am, you can drink this water at 10:30 am, or maybe you can drink this water at 11 o'clock. You don't have to note the time, just by your judgment. You can just keep a gap of 10 to 15 minutes between three different waters. Like if this is prosperity, this is some health serum, this is another health serum. Just keep a gap and manage your healings. Okay, now what is the dose? Dose is one sip or one bottle or one glass from the same container. Here sometimes we tell you to increase the dose. Now what are those times, or how do you do it? If a person is having some allergy, some skin rashes, so at that time what you can do, you can just charge water with beauty serum and all clear serum, and you can give this person to drink this water for maybe one sip every 10 to 15 minutes. So in this way you will help that person to remove that allergy from the body. Okay, now suppose a lady is suffering from menstrual pain. At that time again the energy need is very high because of immense pain. At that time you can charge water maybe with Fem Serum, Keep Serum, and Balance Serum, Pain Care Serum, EFT to whole reproductive system. You charge the water and give this water to that lady and ask her to drink for every 10 minutes. Okay, as the water consumption or the energy consumption increases, the pain will subside or it will help her more. Then another situation can be if a person is having high fever or lot of cough and throat infection sort of. So that time you can charge some energies like ENT serum, DFEB serum, immune serum, and maybe orange color. It helps to decongest your chest. So at that time also a person can drink water every 10 to 15 minutes. Then as the symptoms reduce, you can change the water interval, drink it at every hour, then continue for a day. Next day, if there are no health issues related to the same healing, you can still continue for half a day or one day, and then slowly you can continue or stop as you desire. Okay, so in this way you can manage your water healings. Now if you feel you need more water, you charge a bigger bottle, or you divide the water in many parts and drink. Or what you can do is, like, if this water is over, again take a fresh water and charge. Now sometimes at the end of the day you still have some charged water. When once charged, it remains charged till it is consumed. You don't have to recharge that water unless you want to add some additional energies in that water. Okay, so at the end of the day, if some water remains and you don't want to drink it, or you want to do a fresh water next day, you can just put, what I do, I just put this water to the plants next morning. So in this way I'm not wasting water, I'm even energizing my plants. Okay, or else you can continue drinking this water the next day if you have that need, or if you feel you can take the same energy the next day, you can continue. So water healing is very simple. One dose is equivalent to one time energy. Spread the dose during the day. Increase the dosing frequency when there is emergency or the need is more. And manage water healing. Your VK remains free for the next request. In water healing, it happens within few minutes. So there are many advantages with water. Your body is remaining energized. You have, otherwise, during your work, or you're so busy that you forget drinking water. In this way you will be even increasing the water content in your body, and you'll feel very fresh. You have to continue drinking one type of water till you get the desired results. Now suppose you're doing health healing. Health healing should be continued for every day, like perfect health serum, or some nutritional energies that you can drink every day. Prosperity healing, of course everyone wishes to be prosperous lifelong, so you can continue till you get the desired results, or till you feel that you need to continue. Friends, one question comes time and again: how long you should continue water healing? Now see, it depends on your need. Every day you eat food, every day you breathe in oxygen, every day you take bath. So there are some things which needs to be done every day. You do not stop. So if you are taking perfect health serum, you're taking immune serum, you're taking balance serum, those energies you can continue till you have the desired effect, or you can continue lifelong. Now total wealth serum, it is a prosperity healing. So till you get the desired results in your prosperity, or till you feel that you need to be prosperous, which I feel everyone wants to be lifelong prosperous, so you can continue that healing also. Sometimes you can take through water, sometimes you can take through other methods if you wish to do that. Okay, and certain healings like a fever, or any disease healing, or any mind healing, so whenever you get the desired results, you can stop that healing. Just be patient with your healing and you will definitely get results. So friends, these were the main points for water healing. You can charge water with any positive energy. Just with the title, you can charge mantras, switch words, affirmations, or any Reiki healing. Just remember, you should not charge water with psychic surgery of Reiki, because it will not work as guided by Sharad sir. So simple to use water and VK, and keep energizing your body throughout your day. Do share your experiences with all of us. I have a big thank you for Sharad sir for giving us VK and very simple ways of using VK with water. Okay, thank you, and do visit our Lightarian forum for basics of VK to know more. Now how much ever I speak, it is less, because VK has infinite possibilities. Be in touch for VK on Lightarian forum or on FB Golden Sunrise page, and keep updating your knowledge. Of course, we will have more videos. This is a basic healing teaching video on water. Okay, golden sunrise to all your efforts to make this world happy. Thank you again.